Hello everyone, welcome to Jack Duke Art. Today we are drawing Gogeta, my second favorite fusion, other than Vegito. I'm not one of the people who says Vegito and Gogeta are the same thing. They're two similar characters, but they're not the same. They do have a different personality. I haven't watched the movie yet. I'm desperate to watch it now. But the Dragon Ball Janemba movie, Gogeta, is one of my favorite Dragon Ball Z moments. He's just such a cool character. He is the only character that has killed his enemy with sparkles and still made it look cool. Now, as you can tell by now, I am using a different camera setup. If you'll look at some of my old videos, you'll notice that the angle on this one is quite a lot better. And I also have a little something somewhere in the video where I will show you how to restore a Copic marker. Like, more than just refill it, because everyone can figure out how to refill a marker. But anyway, if you like the video, leave a like, and if you like I said that already, didn't I? Okay, well, if you're new to this channel, subscribe, because I try to get at least one drawing a week done, and I guess turn on the notifications if you don't want to miss a video from me, but I'm not that important in anyone's lives, to be honest. And share this video if you think it was good, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. So now I will show you how to restore a Copic marker, because as you can see, the Copic marker, I recently refilled it, but it's just not setting down. So what you need to do is pull out the old nib. You can buy new nibs, like a set of 3 for $5, which is a pretty decent deal. You need to pull out the old nib, just eat it out. It's not that hard. And as you can see, it's been drawn over ink way too much, and the point of it is really bad. So what you need to do after that is you need to pour some ink into the open hole. And then you need to put the new nib in. And then once you've done that, I'll show you once I get it done. You need to make sure it's all the way in so that you can't push it in anymore. You need to make sure the other lid is off, and then you need to pour ink down like so until the new nib starts showing the right color instead of white. So you just need to fill it until it's all the way wet with ink, and then you've basically done it, like so. So hopefully this was useful, and this time for real, bye.
Bye.